with the Lord. PX7 casts a feathered airstrike but has to cancel it right away because of the threat Fnatic Onyx Philippines has.
Looking to close the game out still with the Lord marching in. Falcon Esports has to go ahead and defend. They're getting whittled down. They will take care of the Lord though. So that might be all they get. FNOP still waiting for the rest of the waves to push in. They want the rest of the base turrets. But now in full force, Falcon Esports. Can they hold on to the base? The shields are gonna pop. Kelra just taking a couple shots there. Look at the damage on Royal Milk alone. And there they go, still trying to end it here.
Oh, the implosion is their last effort, but Super Prince once again saves the Super Family with the Nether Realm, but here comes the counter-attack coming in from Falcon Esports, gonna bring down King Kong. One member down for Fnatic Onyx Philippines, but they're gonna transition up top and try to bring down another target. Look at Kelra! Even on the face of 4 members of the Falcons!
He's going again!
FaZe wants to go for more, gets the double, Kurt gets the kick, feeds Kelra with the triple. Is this gonna be a main? Kelra wins it for Fnatic!
The goal!
7 casts a feathered airstrike but has
Sa
to
Fred
cancel
rin
right away
pwede.
because of the threat Fnatic Onyx Philippines has.
Looking to close the game out
Hindi
still
ko siya-
with
hindi
the
ko siya
Lord
trip.
marching in.
I don't like it.
Falcon
I don't
Esports
like it.
has to go ahead and defend. They're
May
getting whittled
Beatrix,
down.
may
They will
Ik siya nga
take care
eh.
of the Lord,
Kaso may
though.
mati kasi.
So that
Kahit
might
maging
be
siya.
all they
Beatrix,
get.
Beatrix.
FNOP still waiting for the rest of the waves to push in. They want the rest of the base turrets.
Sabagay, flicker kasi yung
Now in
Bea,
full
no?
force, Falcon Esports. Can they hold on
I-retail
to the base?
i-retail
The shields
pwede.
are gonna pop.
Para
Kelra
may
just taking a
ano.
couple
Basta yung mga
shots there.
pang-Fury.
Look at the damage on
Pang-Fury
Royal
na
Milk alone. And there
Fury
they go,
MM.
still trying to end it here.
Up!
Oh, the
Up!
implosion is their last effort,
Nice
but
ult,
Super
Kai.
Prince
Super
once
Prince
again
muli.
saved the Super
Patay.
Family
Buhay
with
si
the Nether Realm,
Prince.
but here
Buhay
comes
din si
the
Kong.
counter-attack
Ay,
from Falcon
joke
Esports, gonna bring down
lang.
King Kong. One member down
Oy,
for Fnatic Onyx
naku
Philippines, but they're
po.
gonna transition up
Pusa.
top and try to bring down another
Uy,
target.
patay. Grabe!
Even on the
Krinitan.
face of 4 members of the Falcons,
1K.
FaZe wants to go for
Bawat
more.
hampas 1K. Uy, dahil grabe flask. Oh my God! Oh my God! Patay isa. Okay, no?
Wins it for Fnatic!
The gold.
Agarang gumiti si PX7, natakot sa T-Famine.
Parang nagmamadali na kagad dito ang Fnatic Onyx PH. Kid X, inaantay nilang yung flicker and implosion na kanyang setup. Pero kasi ang problema, wala kasi nagpo-burn ng flicker dito ng 3 miyembro ng Fnatic Onyx. Kahit sino sa 3 yan, basta hindi mo nahawakan, dung implosion mo, yari pa rin kayo eh.
Tsaka hindi pwedeng mag-flicker in ngayon si Kid X
Tapos
dahil
na ba,
may
guys?
purify si Kedra.
Yun nga.
Yun lang yung kailangan nilang i-burn. Kailangan nilang makahanap ng
Gago,
paraan
sakit
na
lang.
mawalan ng purify. Pero
Boom.
bago pa man
Boom.
din makalapit, ay yung mga
Patay.
bola ay sumasakit na.
Ayun na kayo implosion, nagamit na rin yung Nether Realm. Ngayon, marami mga ultimates na nabitawan. Habang takbo muna dito ang
Stone,
Fnatic
nagwawala.
Onyx, si Royal Mick naman yung Motras. Pero nandun yung mga shuriken mula kay Benny, nakakuha ng kill. And yung jungler from Fnatic Onyx PH.
Oh,
Ayun,
nako.
oh my gosh, 2 hits lang. Itong si PX7.
Gago.
Ayan pa, isa pa.
Gago pa, muli ka na.
Kelra, andito at nagwawala yung goal sa akin. Dalawang sipa ang pinamana sila. Triple kill. Magiging maniac pa. At ang game 1 ay mapupunta sa Super Family.
At parang ganun.
Hindi, tatakot ka agad si...
Cancel it right away because of the threat Fnatic Onyx Philippines has.
Looking to close the game out still with the Lord marching in. Falcon Esports has to go ahead and
Hindi,
defend.
hindi, tap yan, tatap sila, tap, tap. Tatap yan, di ba? Tatap yan. Basag muna taas. Yan, magkaka-clash na dyan. Papasok na yan si Kirk dyan, papasok na si Kirk, bumibuelo 20. Gago ka, putang ina dami siya ni Kelramin. Balagbay. Oh! What a play! Tang ina mo, yun yung play na patalo.
Save the Super Family with the Nether Realm, but here comes the counter-attack
Sa-
from Falcon Esports, gonna bring down King Kong. One member down for Fnatic Onyx Philippines,
Wala
but
naman
they're
dyan eh.
gonna
Si
transition
Kelramin
up
damage.
top.
Gago, boom! Putang ina mo. Kelra, gago ka. In the place to be, min. Putang ina mo. Tang...
Wants to go for more.
Sinipa, nice kick, bam! Isa ka pa! Pak, isa pa!